The Gearlight LED headlamp is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and campers. This two-pack of headlamps features adjustable headbands for a comfortable fit and lightweight design for easy wear during long adventures. Each headlamp offers a powerful, bright flashlight with 7 different modes, including a red light for night vision. The pivotable head allows you to direct light exactly where you need it, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Battery-powered and durable, the Gearlight LED headlamp ensures you're always prepared, providing reliable illumination in any situation. Illuminate your path with Gearlight. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is an essential tool for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. This compact and lightweight filter provides clean, safe drinking water by removing 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites without the need for batteries or moving parts. It filters up to 1,000 gallons, 4,000 liters, of water, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures and emergency kits. The LifeStraw is easy to use. Simply place the straw in any fresh water source and sip through the mouthpiece. Its advanced hollow fiber membrane technology ensures that you can safely drink from rivers, lakes, and streams. The durable construction means it can withstand rugged conditions, and it requires no additional chemicals or iodine. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, traveling to areas with unreliable water quality, or preparing for emergencies, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter offers peace of mind and clean hydration in any situation. The Monocular Telescope High Power 8x42 is a versatile and compact optical device perfect for birdwatching, hunting, camping, hiking, traveling, and wildlife observation. With its 8x magnification and 42mm objective lens, it delivers clear and bright images, making it easy to observe distant objects in detail. The waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof design ensures durability and reliability in various weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. This monocular features a comfortable hand strap for secure handling and easy portability. Its compact size allows it to fit easily in a pocket or bag, ensuring you can take it anywhere. The multi-coated optics enhance light transmission, providing crisp and vibrant visuals even in low-light conditions. Whether you're an adult or a kid, this monocular is perfect for exploring and enjoying the beauty of nature up close. The 12x60 monocular telescope is a high-powered optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring superior SMC and BAK4 optics, it delivers sharp, clear images, making it perfect for birdwatching, hiking, and nature exploration. The included smartphone holder and upgraded tripod provide stability and convenience, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos effortlessly. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy portability, making it an ideal companion for any adventure. Perfect as a birthday gift for men, dads, husbands, and teens, this monocular telescope enhances your outdoor survival gear, offering an immersive and detailed viewing experience. The Jukmo Tactical Belt is designed for maximum durability and versatility, perfect for military, hiking, and work applications. Made from high-quality 1.5-inch nylon webbing, this belt is both strong and flexible, providing comfort and support during any activity. The heavy-duty quick-release buckle ensures secure fastening and easy removal, making it ideal for rapid adjustments and emergency situations. Its rugged construction can withstand the toughest conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures and demanding work environments. Whether you're a military professional, hiker, or laborer, the Jukmo Tactical Belt offers unparalleled performance and functionality. The belt's sleek design and robust features make it suitable for daily wear, ensuring you're always prepared for any challenge. Invest in the Jukmo Tactical Belt for a blend of strength, reliability, and convenience that will enhance your gear collection and provide long-lasting service. The Fly 2 Sky Tent Lamp 4-pack is an essential addition to your camping and emergency gear. These portable LED 10 lights are designed with convenience in mind, featuring clip hooks that easily attach to your tent, backpack, or any available hook. Each light bulb provides bright and reliable illumination, making them perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, or dealing with power outages. The compact and lightweight design ensures they are easy to carry and store. Ideal for various outdoor activities, the Fly 2 Sky Tent lamps offer durable performance and versatile lighting solutions for all your adventures. The Odilon Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan is a versatile and essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency situations. This 2-in-1 device combines a powerful LED lantern with a ceiling fan, providing both illumination and cooling wherever you need it. The lantern features high-intensity LEDs that offer bright, reliable light, perfect for camping, hiking, or power outages. The ceiling fan operates quietly and efficiently, helping to circulate air and keep you cool in your tent or shelter. Designed with portability in mind, the Odolin camping lantern is lightweight and compact, making it easy to pack and carry. It comes with a sturdy hook for easy hanging and can be powered by D-cell batteries, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're setting up camp, dealing with an unexpected power outage, or planning for emergency preparedness, this lantern and fan combo is a dependable solution. Illuminate your adventures and stay comfortable with the Odolin portable LED camping lantern with ceiling fan. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and reviews.